Hey guys, welcome to the third tutorial for LightBurn and the Emblaser 2. To get started, let's head to the Help Center and Tutorials, and this time we're going to go over LightBurn Lesson 3, the gift box. Now in this tutorial we're going to make this cool little heart-shaped gift box that was downloaded from Template Maker at templatemaker.nl. There's lots of other designs that you can create following these steps though. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to alter an existing design using the drawing tools provided in LightBurn, and also how to alter the cut settings within a layer. So before we get started, make sure that you've completed the Getting Started section of the user manual, and that you've also completed the previous LightBurn tutorials first. Now, if you've done those, go ahead and download the gift box design file at the link. I've already downloaded it. And make sure that you have a piece of heavy cardstock measuring at least 300 by 180 millimeters. Now let's hop over to LightBurn and import our file. Now the file is called template_heart_box. So I'm going to go ahead and open that DXF. And first off, let's notice that it's way bigger than our cut beds, so we need to scale it down to a reasonable size. 250 millimeters will work great for this tutorial. And when I scaled it, it didn't exactly scale to the center of the workspace, so I'm going to use the Place Center button to place it in the center of the page. Now, one of the things with these is they work much better if you add some score lines to the design. Now to do that, I'm going to create a new layer that is separate from the blue layer that I have for my cut lines, because I want to assign different power levels to these. So to do that, I'm going to pick a layer that's vastly different than the blue. So I'm going to pick orange. Now to make the lines that we're going to need, we're going to use the pencil tool. And the pencil tool is very cool because it selects existing geometry very well, and it will make a continuous line until you exit out of the command using the escape key. Now it'll continue going until you hit escape again, so you don't need to select the pencil tool again to keep going, but I'm just going to go ahead and click through these and make lines at all of the points that I need sharp bends at. Oop. Went too far. Click that. Start the pencil tool again. Alright, so we've got the pencil tool done. These are all the lines I need to add in to make the bends. So now from there, let's go ahead and add our power settings. Now for both of these layers, I'm going to use the cut settings in the paper 150 to 300 grams per square meter. So cut and select the blue layer and then assign to layer. Notice our power settings went from 3 to 13% or 13 millimeters per second at 100% power. And then we'll do the same for the orange. But with the orange, I want those lines to score. I don't want them to cut. So I'm going to open the dialog up by double clicking on it and change the maximum power to 35%, but leave the speed alone. And then we'll click OK. And then the other thing that we want to do is we want to change the cut order, because I want the etch to happen before the cut, just in case the paper curls or something shifts as we cut it out. And then from there, we can head on out to the laser. So we'll see you guys out there. Once you're at your laser, go ahead and place the material in the approximate center of your bed. Once it's there, go ahead and close the door and hit the enable switch to let the laser know everything's good to go. From there, just like before, head back to LightBurn and hit start. In just a couple minutes, you'll have a great gift box for your next occasion that nobody is going to forget. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something great, and be on the lookout for our next tutorials with LightBurn and the Emblaser 2.